And I got a clamp there. I got that slot pulled tight to the horizontal 2x4 above, so I can drill a little bit to the left and secure that track very firmly against that horizontal 2x4 there. So I've made some more adjustments to this door. I've secured the track to the top parallel stud so it doesn't bow from the weight of the door. And if you look here, you can see this. It makes contact at the top. If you go to the bottom, that's about a 1/2 inch gap. So the question is, this door, does it need further adjustment? I'll go over here and look. See, this jamb is perpendicular. The door on this side is perpendicular. That side, left side. And then if we go over here and take a look at that track, see that track is parallel. If you go over here to here, move the door to the right, there's about a 1/2 inch gap at the top, and then makes contact at the bottom. If we go over here and look at this guy, so the door is perpendicular. So on that right jamb, I'm just going to fill that. I'm going to shim that at the top when I put in the right jamb. The jamb on the left doesn't matter, it's going to be covered with drywall. So I think this door does not need further adjustment. I think it's we can keep going on this thing.